Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting into the device that created the QR. Log into the router admin page or open your phone's hotspot/Wi-Fi sharing panel. This is where QR generation is enabled. Once logged in, navigate to the Wi-Fi network settings or the sharing section to reveal the QR code option. Do this now so you can change the source setting directly. Disabling at the source prevents regeneration and removes any shared image files. Now you take the middle steps that actually stop the QR from working. In Settings, switch off the Share Network or Show QR Code toggle. This prevents new QR images. To invalidate any existing codes, change the SSID or update the Wi-Fi password, because a different key makes the old QR useless. Make sure you also delete any exported QR images from your phone or router storage, and from cloud backups so they cannot be scanned later. Finally, you save changes and reboot the device to apply them. Routers and phones often need a restart to stop services that generate QR images. After reboot, test with a second phone. Scan the old QR and confirm it fails to connect or shows wrong credentials. If scanning still grants access, update firmware or clear router cache. As a last resort, restore defaults and reconfigure, because persistent sharing may be caused by outdated software or a cached QR file.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.